I've seen a few CEOs slipping back into work that they've previously done and been successful at. So they've sort of gone back to being on the tools, if you like. And I think that that is not a recipe for success. Your role as the CEO is to lead now and to lead in the future. And the more time you spend on the tools, the less time you're spending in the leadership space. And that makes it hard for everybody else in your organization, because what we're doing is we're kind of creating a cap or a lid. If we're only operating, at the doing level, so is everyone else. If we lift up and operate in the leading space, then everybody gets to elevate, and that creates opportunity for people to step into their potential, use their strengths, all the things that we want people to do, to be more engaged, to interact, to collaborate. But while ever we're placing that lid on them because we are in the doing space, makes it really hard for you individually, as a team and as an organization, to achieve those very important goals.